Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're looking at this 1970 442 Tribute car. Convertible though, looking really nice. Glass rear window. Paint's in phenomenal shape, and so is the body. Really pretty. Chrome's looking really sharp as well. And I love that they got the spoiler on it, true to the 442. Body lines are really good too. Doors aren't sagging, as you can tell. Seams are looking really clean. Just a really cool looking car. Interior is also in good shape. White. Has a lot of vibrancy left to it. I know white interiors over time just kind of get bleached by the sun, bleached by butts, you know, elbows, the whole 9 yards, but she's looking really strong. She's a clean interior, automatic car as well, and AC. But let's see, crank her up and see how she drives. Get her cruising out here. Power steering feels real nice. Shifting strong. Oh yeah. Let's do a little brake check here for us. Nice and straight. Car's flying around these corners. Get up on her a little bit. Downshifted properly there. Yeah, she got up and moved. That's what we like to see. Alright guys, I'm going to go ahead back to the shop. We'll put her on a lift and show you the undercarriage.